Only a few things are more exciting than hunting trophy whitetails in a Kansas snowstorm. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I was greeted by a beautiful Texas sunrise on my early morning drive. I am headed to Kansas for a late whitetail hunt with my Raven crossbow. Everything was going good until it started snowing in central Oklahoma. I can't believe I was driving in an Oklahoma snowstorm. They finally called out the snowplows to get the road cleared. A lack of snowplows had the road graders out moving snow off the road. This made for a very slow drive. When I got to my hunting area in Kansas, it was still snowing. There wasn't quite as much on the ground as there was in Oklahoma, but it was going to make for an interesting hunt. I was late in arriving, so I headed right on out to the stand. Well, after that white knuckle ride through the Oklahoma snowstorm, I'm finally here in Kansas for my yearly whitetail hunt. I'm going to my favorite blind tonight, and the plan tonight is to take out one of these bossy old bucks. I call them a cull buck because we want them off of the farm, and that's my plan. Take one of these guys. There's a 9-point coming in here that I'm planning to take if he comes in. However, if a big bruiser comes in, I might have to change my plans. Okay, I'm gonna go silent now and walk into my blind, okay? Check with you later. Well, here we are in the stand, waiting for the deer to come in. Nice snowy evening. The feeder over here is about to go off, and there's a bunch of quail down there. Oh, they heard me talk. I gotta be quiet. Before getting into the blind, I put out some of my secret formula, and it didn't take long for the does to start showing up. Looks like my secret formula was a hit with the quail too. It wasn't long before a young 8-point showed up, followed by guess who? The target 9-point. I waited to see if some other bucks were going to show up. In doing so, I may have missed my opportunity. He wasn't giving me a shot by staying on the other side of the feeder and also at the wrong angle. I hope he makes it around to my side of the feeder pretty soon. Some of these older bucks tend to not spend much time at feeders. Looks like he's going to work his way around to where I might be able to get a shot. He was alerted to something, and I thought for a moment that this was the end. Here it goes. went down right over there. Well, wow, that didn't take long. Man, that target buck was that 9-point with the broken G2. Outstanding. Target buck down. Well, we're going to go follow up on this deer. I'm pretty sure he's just over there. I think he made it about 75 yards, it looks like. I don't think I got the camera on him real good there, but anyway, the last I saw him was just straight out there in the middle of the frame right now. Okay, we're going to go down, see if we can retrieve our Kansas whitetail. December 2020. What a year. Well, we're down from the blind. I reviewed the footage and it's right where it's supposed to be, money shot. So I'm going to go and follow up on him, see if we can find him here. My arrow sure shines right there. Oh yeah, look at that. See if we can get a blood trail here soon. He went this way. Thought he went right through here. There he is. Oh man, I almost ran into him. Yeah. Wow. Goodness gracious. There he is. The old 9-point that we call him a management deer. He's old, mature. Never going to get any better than this. And look at that. Nice Kansas whitetail. I better go get the truck, get him loaded up before it gets dark, and get out of here. That was a good shot. I didn't see any blood. I don't understand why I couldn't see any blood, but that's the way it is sometimes. This snow allowed me to track him. He wasn't going to get away. Nice deer. Get him loaded up and get up to the barn. Take care of him. Here's my Kansas buck for 2020. It's a deer we have wanted out of here. He's old, mature. He was a 9-point, got the G2 broke on the ear. But this kind of deer we want to get off of here so that we can get some younger deer on the property. A deer like this will chase those younger upcoming 10-pointers off, and then someone else gets a chance at them, we don't get them. So taking a deer out like this means that we'll have a better crop next year. So this is my Kansas whitetail 2020 hunt out of my favorite blind.